Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the drive motor in a Frigidaire washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a number 2 square bead screwdriver, a Torx 20 screwdriver, a 5/16" socket wrench, flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new drive motor. The drive motor, powered through the motor control board, rotates the inner basket. If your washer basket is having a problem with spinning, but turns freely by hand, the drive motor should be checked and replaced if needed. We need to take the top off. Using the number 2 square bead screwdriver, unscrew the 2 screws at the back of the top panel, pull the panel back slightly, and lift it off the washer. Press the tab and unplug the power cord connector. Remove the green ground wire. Using the pliers, squeeze the tab and push it in to disconnect the power cord from the bracket. Next, using the number 2 square bead screwdriver, remove 5 screws, 2 on the top and 3 at the back, and take the rear mounting bracket off the cabinet. Using the same screwdriver, take out the single screw on the right and remove the drain hose retainer and put it aside. Using the same number 2 square bead screwdriver, take the screws that hold the control board out. Next, we need to remove the rear panel. There's a bunch of screws. We're going to use a Torx 20 screwdriver and remove them all. Be patient. And we're done with the screws. Now we can remove the panel and swing it to the side, out of the way. Pull on the belt and turn the drive pulley until the belt comes off. Then remove it. Reach in and, using the 5/16" socket wrench, unscrew 2 rear motor mount bolts. Unscrew the 2 5/16" front motor bolts. Push the motor back to release it and pull the motor out. Press down the locking tabs and disconnect the motor wire plug. Using the pliers, squeeze the tab and remove the wire harness retainer from the motor. Turn the motor and, using the flathead screwdriver, remove the green ground wire. Now you can remove the old drive motor. This is the old drive motor next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Bring the motor in. Connect the green ground wire. Alright, now we're going to turn the motor over and connect the plug. And next we're gonna lock the wire harness tab. Okay, ready for installation. This 4 motor mounts goes over the 4 brackets on the top. So we need to slowly lift the motor up, match them, can slide it forward. And install all 4 screws. Tighten them using the 5/16 inch socket wrench. And next we're going to put the belt on. First it goes on the motor pulley. Hold the belt with both hands. Put one side belt on the drive pulley. Hold it tight with both hands because it may snap, and God forbid pinch your finger. And then turn the pulley, hold the belt, turn the pulley, and it's on. Rotate the pulley several times, both directions. Make sure it's installed properly. Now we're going to place the rear panel back, swing it back, pull on the drain hose a little bit. Okay, and align the holes on the top here. So now we can secure it with the screws. All right. Using a Torx 20 screwdriver, I'll just put a couple of screws on each side. And now we can install the rest of the screws. Okay, now we're going to attach the motor control board. Alright, so we're going to put 2 number 2 square bit screws in to secure the motor control board to the rear panel. Install the drain hose retainer and secure it to the rear panel with a number 2 square bit screwdriver. Now we can put the rear mounting bracket back and secure it with the screws using the same number 2 square bit screwdriver. Push in the plastic retainer with the power cord. Clip the ground wire onto the rear bracket. Connect the power cord plug. Then install the top panel. Place it on less than ½ inch from the front panel and slide it forward to lock. Secure it with a couple of number 2 square bit screws. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.